My name is Pauline. I've lived in Labrador for 43 years now. I'm very happy here. Back about 6 years ago, I was diagnosed with my sight loss. So it was quite a shock and it was a big adjustment. When I was losing my sight, I found difficult cooking, chopping up food, cleaning, shopping. I came across care and repair through Wendy Morris, my support worker, who put me in touch with Thrwsio.
Managing Better is a service which helps anyone with sensory impairment improve their home life. We can help with adaptations, repairs, technology. When I first met Pauline, I think she was still a little bit reticent about having any support. It was a question of building up enough trust and a bond so that she wasn't afraid to say, well, I'm having problems putting toothpaste on my toothbrush, or I can't actually see to use the bathroom, I can't actually see to do my cooking anymore, which I love doing.
I met Thrwsio. She made me feel very much at ease. She helped me with things like the lights in the kitchen, a light in the bathroom, rails on my stairs. I find these things have made life much better for me. And I don't know how I managed without them before.
I first met Pauline following a referral from the local Roedd, the reablement officer for the visually impaired, and we got on quite well from day one. I soon discovered Pauline loves music, she loves dancing. Having talked about that a bit more and having talked about the other benefits of having an Alexa, we actually fitted one then.
Alexa, play Gold Radio.
Pauline was finding it really difficult with her mobile phone. She couldn't find the numbers on there or scroll down to see who she was ringing, and sometimes she'd get it wrong. Little things that we take for granted when we can see things, they're really difficult for people who've got sight loss.
I don't feel as if I'm on my own in this because I've always got that support behind me. I'm very grateful, and I think that there is help for people out there. Don't be afraid. These people are there to help you, and they will help you and support you to try and keep you, safe and in your own home and have a normal life.